Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fully automate your YouTube comment section using Comment Shark's Comment Assistant. We're going to build two rules from scratch. First, a text-based link responder, super useful if you keep getting the same questions over and over. Where can I buy this? How much does it cost? How do I find this? And so on. And second, an AI-powered rule that understands your viewers, what they're actually asking, and generates a unique reply every time. So this is what the tool looks like. I'll walk you through every step of the rule builder, including testing your rule on real comments before it goes live. A quick tip, if you don't want to start from scratch, Comment Shark also uses a template, or you can use a template library with Comment Shark for ready-made examples that you can customize. Things like spam filters, FAQ autoresponders, giveaway entries, subscriber welcomes. There are about 17 of these right now. You can pick one, tweak it, and you're done. So it's pretty simple to get started, or you can make a custom rule, which we're going to do today. So let's get into it. So we'll click new rule. Now, number one, name. So the first thing you want is to name this rule. I'm going to call this pricing link responder because we're going to make it auto apply to anyone asking about a pricing and send them a link. Now we need to choose how we match our comments. We have two options, text match, which matches comments containing specific words or patterns. It's fast, predictable, and available on every plan. Or AI classification. This uses AI to understand the intent of a comment. So instead of the exact words, it can understand how much is this, what's the price, and basically know that they're asking the same thing. This one's a plus feature. For this first rule, we're going to do text match. Now match details. This is where it gets interesting. You'll see a drop down of pre-built patterns. These are pretty handy. Any comment contains keywords, has URL or link, has email address. You can also do starts with, or ends with, or write your own custom rejexes. That's a pretty advanced feature, but it gives you lots of flexibility. I'm going to pick contains keywords and type in pricing, cost, how much, afford. Just some really basic matches. What this is going to do behind the scenes is create a pattern that matches any comment containing any of these words. Simple and effective. It's also case insensitive, so you don't need to write out every form of cost with cap. This is basically the same thing as this. Target videos. For now, let's just do all videos. And now this is the actual action type. Here's what happens when a comment matches our keywords. So reply template is a pre-written reply, perfect for the consistent responses. An AI reply that generates a unique reply every time using AI, which is a plus feature. Delete just obviously automatically deletes matching comments, and moderate, which sends it to the held for review tab. You can use these for moderation, but for today we'll click reply template. Now we can write our reply template. I'm just going to put in something I've prepared before. So this will actually swap out for the username. So hey username, thanks for asking. You can find all our pricing info here at our link. Let me know if you have any other questions. So that's dynamic and personal. Now for the settings. You have two choices, needs approval. So every time a comment matches, it goes to your approval queue, you review it, and then you can approve or dismiss. This is great for when you're starting out and want to make sure that things are working right. Or auto execute. It just runs, no approval needed, fully autonomous comments. I'm going to click needs approval for now, but there's also a notification toggle. So if either of these execute, an email will be sent to your contact so you know that you have something to approve or something just ran. Testing. This is my favorite part. Before your comment goes live, you can test it right here. So I can either type a comment manually. There it is. So it matched the comment. You can see that the reply right here rendered in the chat bubble with my channel avatar. It looks great. So let me try one that shouldn't match, like great video. So as you can see, this comment would actually be skipped. So it wouldn't actually post a comment that is not relevant to pricing. Review. This is the last step. This is a summary of everything we've just configured: name, match, videos, action, mode, notifications. If anything looks off, I can click on any row just to jump to it, or here above, just to review things or change things. I need to check the disclaimer box saying that I'm responsible for all my automated actions, and then click create rule. So that's basically it. It's live. You can see it here in the rules list. The toggle lets me pause at any time, and I can test it again from this view. So if I just want to make sure it's working, I can test it, or test all my rules up here. I can turn my notifications on and off. So now let's build something more powerful. Let's do an AI rule. So this one's going to be called FAQ autoresponder. We'll do AI classification on this one. So instead of keywords, I'm just going to describe the type of comments I want to match in plain English. Here's an example. Questions asking about software, tools, or equipment I use. Questions about my setup, workflow, editing process. Let's apply this to all videos. And let's do an AI reply this time. So the AI reads each comment and decides if it fits the description we just wrote. So it catches things like what camera do you use, how do you want to edit your videos, what mic is that, and so on. So in the reply type field, let's put this, which is reply in a friendly, helpful tone, keep it concise, mention specific tools from the context below. And in this box, you can actually put most of the context that you want to include in your reply. So your actual FAQ or product information. So right now, I'll just put this in. My Sony camera, my microphone, what software I use, what recording I use or editing software. So now let's just do needs approval just to test things out. We might not be confident in the AI right now. And let's test out a comment. What software do you use? So now the AI is actually matching this comment in the background and checking what rule it matches to. So right now it matched the comment and it is generating a reply on our behalf. So, hey, I'm currently using DaVinci Resolve for editing and OBS Studio for all my screen recordings. Check the description links if you want to try them. So that's pretty cool. Let's type something that wouldn't match first comment. There you go. So the AI is actually classifying and generating a reply for us, which is pretty cool. Now we can go into next. Once again, we have our review and create options. And there we go. We have an AI rule. Now, as a bonus, we can actually see in our activity section all the comments that are replied to or are in our replying queue for our approval. And here are just some dashboards for analytics that you get over time while your rules run in the background. So now we have two rules running, an AI text rule that matches pricing questions and sends consistent links every time, and an AI powered rule that understands what people are asking and generates a unique informed reply. You can mix and match these however you like, using a text matching rule for simple predictable stuff like links, thank yous, giveaways, or use AI for anything where your phrasing varies or you want personalized responses. So once you're confident your rules are working, flip them to auto execute and they'll run 24/7 in the background without you lifting a finger. And remember, if you don't want to build them from scratch, this library has 17 made ready recipes covering community engagement, channel protection, automated replies, business inquiries. Just pick one, customize it, and it'll go. And that's it. Go try it out at commentshark.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.